Hello, welcome to the first episode of the Modeler's Diary. Today we are going to create a sketch of the chassis. We are going to use the engine from the Beetle as our base. The first thing I wanted to do was to establish some sort of baseline, basic dimensions that I can start from. I want to build a racing special, so I used the dimensions of a small hatchback. My design is finished, so it's basic dimensions which I can draw and modify. It all depended on the engine. I didn't use any freely available designs. I'm not building a replica of any design. I go piece by piece. These are just my thought processes. Here is a copy of the design. The basic length of the chassis is 14 centimeters. The width of the chassis should be 3 centimeters, plus minus some millimeters, because as I say, everything counts from the engine. I have some plastic profiles. I will use a prism for the base. This prism has the dimensions 2 × 4 millimeters. I choose this dimension because it suits the scale best. I use a chip saw and the meter to cut the plastic profiles. This meter is suitable for these profiles. It is made of aluminum and can cut at 45, 60 and 90 degree angles. First, I cut the edge of the profile to be at a 90 degree angle. The factory apparently cuts it by machine. These cuts are not perfect. I measured the length of the profile. In this case, it's 14 centimeters, but I mentioned that earlier. I immediately cut the other profiles. The second dimension was 3 centimeters. I constructed everything on the sketch. I also glued it on it. Yes, I shouldn't have done it that way, but it was sure of the exact placement. Here is the finished basic part of the chassis. In the next part, we will continue with the design. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.